Hey everybody, Ben here, coming at you from Windsor, Ontario, Canada, about what to buy and sell on your local market, like Facebook groups, Facebook Marketplace, Kijiji, etc. And today we have the folding poker tabletop. And this one is about 30, this one's 35 inches across, and they can get bigger, 42, 48. When I find these things, I'm finding them at the thrift stores, garage sales, some estate sales, but they're everywhere. And I usually inspect it by opening it up and looking at the felt. And if there's any stains, cuts, some wear like that is fine. A little bit of wear is okay. If they're wood, they'll have some dings on the corner, possibly, and the felt will be separating. That'll devalue it. Look, there's some fading in the railing. I check the bottom, make sure it's not falling out like the lining or anything on the back. Make sure it folds up fine. And ooh, we're losing crazy focus right now. And for this tabletop alone, you might want to pay between $5 and $10. There we go. I bought this as like a set, but by itself, yeah, this is probably $5 or $10 at the most, maybe 15 if you want to make a slim margin, but this should sell for between 20 and 30. I'd say 25 by itself. And if you get some nicer ones, they can sell for upwards to around 60. I've sold a few of these, so some nicer, bigger ones with like a carrying case that are wood. They're heavier, or I'd say heavier wood, not just plastic railings. Yeah, it should move rather quick from my experience. People want these because new, they're expensive. Online, they're expensive. Used online, they're expensive to ship. So it's like a local market only kind of item to resell. And this one's a Cardinal brand, so it's a decent brand. They make a lot of plastic poker chips and stuff like that. But if it's like a bicycle or something like that, yeah, it's still worth something. It'll bring up the value a little bit, but I'd say more of the size and the quality is going to determine the value rather than like a brand name. And I'm obviously going to dump this on Facebook Marketplace. That's the best. And some Facebook groups. And when I go to list it, I'm going to take like a main picture, like BAM. Then like an up close of the main logo. Some of the railing, just highlighting the wear and tear of this thing. I'll take one of it upside down, probably, and then I'll take one of it folded up. Show it folds up fine, that the felt's not splitting right there, coming apart. It's still in, decent condition. And that's about it. So be sure to like the video if this helped you at all. Check out other videos that I have about local market flips and other stuff you'll see on my channel. And subscribe to keep this beast growing, even though it's still a long way to go. So, yep, that's about it for the folding poker tabletop. Alright, this is Ben. Peace.